got a haircut. Do you like it? Do you like it? You better like it. So New Year's is right around the corner, and whether you're going to someone's place or you're calling someone over, this recipe is perfect to fool everyone into thinking that you can cook. So you're welcome. It's easy, it's quick, and it's impressive. You just need 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream and it is good to go. I hope you guys had a wonderful 2015, and I hope 2016 kicks 2015's arse. That's it for this time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next year. Bharat Scouts, guys. Jhanda ucha. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch my previous 2 videos, Struggle Suffer Procrastinator and Thrift Shop haul video, you can click on the box below. The link is also available in the description bar below. Also, let's stalk each other on social media. The links are all available. And I'll see you guys next time. Tata!